If your idea of drones is boring, you're about to be blown away. The country-made light attack drone KX-2 is here. And it's not just any drone, it's a marvel of engineering. Designed and built in Bangladesh, the KX-2 is set to redefine aerial combat. With a sleek design and lightweight frame, this drone is all about agility and speed. But don't let its size fool you. Despite its compact form, it packs a punch with advanced technology and powerful motors. This drone can zip through the air with precision, making it perfect for both hobbyists and professionals. Whether you're capturing stunning aerial footage or racing through obstacle courses, this drone delivers exceptional performance. Experience the thrill of unmatched agility and speed today. The KX-2 packs a serious punch with advanced targeting systems and high-precision strike capabilities. Perfect for modern warfare, the KX-2 drone is designed to operate seamlessly in a variety of challenging environments. Whether it's the scorching heat of the desert, the dense and unpredictable forest, the relentless downpour of heavy rain, or the freezing temperatures of snowy mountains, this drone excels. It's not just about surveillance. The KX-2 is also equipped to strike targets with precision. This versatility makes it an indispensable tool for modern military operations, ensuring success in any mission, regardless of the conditions. This milestone, Bangladesh is stepping up its game in defense technology. So get ready to see the KX-2 soaring high and making waves. This revolutionary drone is set to redefine aerial technology and exploration. With its advanced features and cutting-edge design, the KX-2 promises to deliver unparalleled performance and breathtaking visuals. Imagine capturing stunning landscapes and dynamic cityscapes from angles never seen before. Stay tuned, because the skies over Bangladesh will never be the same again. The future of drone technology is here, and it's more exciting than ever.